Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at the second A in the 3 A's that we mentioned earlier, which is attraction. Attraction simply means that you get your audience interested in your brand, so much so that they are excited to tell other people about your product or services. And one of the ways that you can do this is to follow some of these principles. One is reciprocity. This simply means that you put your audience in a situation where they feel like they owe you and they need to pay you back. And this can be achieved by giving your audience valuable things for free. It could be in form of educational content or even entertainment content. As long as your audience feel like it is valuable to them, then they're in a position to want to give back to you. So when you present them with a product and you want to sell it, they feel like they owe you and they need to patronize you. The second one is content appeal. You need to create content that is aesthetically appealing to your audience. Once they find it beautiful, they will always look forward to your content every time they come online. The third one is similarity. People often feel attracted to things that are similar in nature to what they're experiencing. So when they find this in your content, they always want to come back because they can relate all the time. And the fourth one is edutainment or valuetainment. It's simple. It's a blend of education and entertainment, or value and entertainment. And the final one is vulnerability. When you create content that people can always relate to because they feel like they are going through an experience that you're sharing with them, it sort of creates a bond for your brand. If you apply all of these principles to your content creation, your audience are more likely to stick with your brand over your competitors. In the next video, we're going to be looking into addiction.